In this video, we're going to go through the toe piano exercise, which is great for improving active toe splay and dexterity. Now, we do have a full tutorial that goes into more depth on this concept of restoring a natural toe splay, so highly recommend checking that one out. And of course, if you do have a specific foot pain or injury, then seeking individualized assessment and guidance is going to be the best strategy. And you can connect with a like-minded practitioner in our network through the TFC Pro directory on our website. You'll find a link for that in the description below. With that being said, let's get into the exercise. So to kick it off, we're just going to start with some simple toe lifts. So that's where we're just lifting all our toes up off the ground as high as we can, and then lowering them back down. Lifting high and back down. And as we do that, we can start to try and splay out our toes as much as possible. Even if that isn't very much at the moment, that's fine. Just do your best. But the main focus is just lifting and lowering. Now, from here, we can start to try and lift our big toes while keeping our little toes down. So lifting up like so, and then swapping, so big toes down, little toes up. Little toes down, big toes up, and then reversing. So if this is really challenging for you, which is very common at first, you could even hold your big toes down and lift your little toes like that, and then vice versa, until you get the hang of that movement. And then obviously try that again without support. From here, the next progression is to go all the way up with all your toes, lower your big toe, bring that back up, and then try and lower your pinky toe, and then bring that back up. Big toe, little toe. Of course, it's normal for your other toes to move a little bit, but as long as you're aiming to just touch down with the big toe and the little toe with each rep, then that is what we're after. You'll start to feel some muscles being used in your feet. Very normal, might be a little bit crampy, so just deal with that as best you can. And from here, the next progression is the full toe piano, where you are coming all the way up, placing pinky toes down, then ring toes, then middle toes, then pointers, and then big toes. And what you can see is you've ended up with your widest active toe splay. To reverse, we can go big toes, pointers, middle, ring, and pinky. One more time, pinky toes down, then ring, then middle, then pointers, then big. And reversing is big toes, pointers, middle, ring, pinky. So you'll practice whatever progression you're up to for 1 or 2 minutes as part of a routine or just as a little movement snack. And over time, you can try and build up that dexterity and splay to that full toe piano. Thanks for watching. If you're finding value in these videos, then please do like and subscribe. That really helps support our channel, and we do put out videos like this every week. And if you're looking for more structured programs and guidance from TFC professionals, live sessions, live calls, then we do have our Explorer membership, which you can find out all the details through the link in the description below.